before I start the video, guys, I just want to let you know I do have a gaming channel up, and it has actually been up for a while. You guys can go ahead and check the channel out in the description below. I am going to try to start uploading more to this channel because I do enjoy playing video games. I mean, who doesn't? But yeah, so if you guys want to check this out, there's a link in the description below. I do upload my Twitch streams to it, which you guys can check out the Twitch channel on the gaming channel, or you guys can check it out on my main channel. But I hope you guys enjoy the video. Hey, what is going on, guys? Swords and Tech Tips, and in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to uninstall Microsoft Edge. The only reason I'm doing this video is because I know there are people out there who do not like Microsoft Edge, but I have heard better reviews since the last versions, because the last few versions weren't that great. But the new version isn't bad, to be honest with you. I do like the layout and stuff, but honestly, we're going to uninstall it. And to do so, you're actually going to have to go to the link in the description below, as always. It's going to take you to this page here. You're just going to go ahead and click download. I did take the liberty to make it a zip file, so you do not have to download WinRAR, as usual. Go ahead and go to your downloads. You're going to click open file. Then you're going to see this folder here. Drag this folder to your desktop. Now, I actually have this folder already on my desktop, but I will show you guys how to do it. What you guys want to do is take this folder, drag it to your desktop. Then all you got to do is launch this. That's all you need. It's not a software you install, it's literally just the exe file. That is all you need. Now, I already have a copy of this on my desktop, so I'm not going to do that. So I'm going to go ahead and launch uTool. The UAC is going to pop up when you launch it, and all you got to do is click yes on the UAC. This is uninstall tool. Now, you can use this to uninstall any software you want, and it'll actually remove any of the cache files, temp files, any files that had something to do with that software. It will remove and clear up space. So what you want to do is you obviously want to search for, oh, it's right here. You want to search for Microsoft Edge in here if you have a lot of programs, or you can just find it like I did. Go ahead and right click on it and click uninstall. I'm going to say, are you sure you want to uninstall Microsoft Edge? Go ahead and click uninstall, and you can also click clear your browsing data. And it brings you back to the good old Internet Explorer. Go ahead and click finish. It's going to find all the traces, then it's going to delete them. And now you've successfully uninstalled Microsoft Edge. You might actually have to force remove all these. Now look at that. Microsoft Edge is successfully off your computer. You don't got to use it anymore. Gone. You don't got to deal with it anymore. And if you guys want to go really far back, scroll down to Windows Accessories, and then you should see Internet Explorer. Oh God. Well, that is how you uninstall Microsoft Edge on Windows 10 and 2022. I don't know if this actually works on Windows 11, but I would presume it does. But if you guys enjoyed the video, please drop a like. If you guys did not enjoy the video, please drop a dislike. Subscribe to the channel if you guys are new. I'll see you guys next video, and peace.